There we go. It took me so long to get this camera to just stay straight today, but I think we're good. Close enough to good. I cannot fix it. It does not want to be fixed. Okay, so happy first day of fall, everyone. Today I want to do a very fall look to jump into fall, and I'm really gonna play off the nice orangey shades in this shirt. So without further ado, let's just get started. So I do want a matte look. I do like a really matte look in the fall time, so I'm just gonna go in with my E.L.F. matte oil control lotion as my primer today. And I'm excited to do this makeup look because I am breaking out a lot. I don't know if you can tell, I got at least 4 pimples in various places of my face, but not for long because we're gonna put on foundation next, and I'm gonna go in with the E.L.F. Flawless Finish Foundation, and I like to use the shade Nutmeg. Just take a pump on my foundation brush. So I'm just starting with 1 pump. I always start with 1 pump with most of my foundations, and then if I want a little bit more, I can go ahead and go in with a little bit more if I feel like I need it. I do want my base to be pretty full coverage today though. I feel like that looks pretty good for coverage, so I'm going to keep it at that. And then I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I feel like I haven't used it in a while, so why not use it today? I'm going to take my sponge just to pat it out. I'm going to use whatever is left over and excess on my sponge just to go over my eyelids. And while I'm working with my cream products on my face, I'm just going to go ahead and take my Huda Beauty Tantour, and I use the shade Tan. I'll dip my sponge into it, and we're just going to use this to contour the face. So when I take a little bit on the sponge, I kind of just tap lightly over the spots I want it to, because I don't want too much product to be dispersed in any one place. And then I can go back in and just blend it out. Tap, tap, tap. I find this is the best way to use this product. I'm just doing a light amount. I don't want to be overly tanned. It is fall. Just want to look more balanced and more 3-dimensional than 1-dimensional. You always want to put shadow in the places of your face that naturally have shadow, and then bring light to the faces that are more pronounced and that you want to stand forward a little bit more. I'm going to powder my face with my Perfect Setting Powder by Cover FX. It's literally the name, Perfect Setting Powder, and to be honest, it's pretty accurate of a name. I'm going to powder my face with my sponge. This really helps the powder to just melt into those cream products. This is by far my favorite loose setting powder that I've tried. I haven't tried many, but when I tried this one, I was pretty much sold, and I was like, oh no, I was actually going to use a different setting powder today. I'll use it next time, it's okay. But this one is my favorite. Move on to brows using my NYX brow pencil. That brow was super fast, my gosh. Okay, brows are done. Oh my gosh, that took me like 30 seconds. It's because I actually cleaned up my brows today with my like little mini razor, and the days that I do that so fast doing my brows, I don't have to fight them to be sisters. They want to be. It's lovely. I'm just gonna set those in place with some brow gel. I'm using my Femme Couture brow gel as per usual. How do you guys like to do your brows? Do you like to use a pencil? Do you like to use a pomade? Do you like to use a powder? Do you like using brow gel only? Let me know in the comments below. I'm kind of curious. I pretty much stick to pencils and brow gel and don't really do anything less or anything more. So if you do something different, definitely let me know. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the eyes. I'm just gonna pick out some palettes. For today's look, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Brown Sugar palette. This one is the Karushi X Colourpop collab, and I think I might use some of the Oriza Beauty. This is their Nude Shimmer Contour Eyeshadow, their mini palette, and I might dip into this as well. start by taking chai just to set my lid. I have been really struggling to think of like some makeup related, not makeup, sorry, some video ideas that aren't makeup or cooking related. So if you guys have any ideas, let me know, because I often take your suggestions. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and take Jamocha. I'm just gonna put this in the crease. This is gonna act as our first transition shade. But yeah, like sometimes I will have so many ideas that I will just film non-stop. I'm now doing the same exact thing with Amber over top. It's a more orangey shade, like a mid-tone orange. But like every once in a while, I just don't have any ideas. So this is just one of those times where I'm just struggling a bit more. This is pretty orange, but I want something more orangey on my eye. I'll just quickly dip into my Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette. Take this orangey shade with this sort of burgundy shade, mix them together on a more tapered brush. And I'm gonna really focus this on the crease, but as well as take it down on the lid, on the inner and outer corner mainly. So yeah, if you have any ideas that you guys would like to see on this channel that are lifestyle related, that don't necessarily have to do with cooking or with makeup, let me know, because those are like, I always have cooking ideas, I always have makeup ideas, I always get suggestions for those things, but I don't really get much suggestions for things outside of those two boxes, which please keep suggesting me things in those boxes as well. But I just want to like give you some more variety so you guys stay interested and are enjoying the videos I'm putting out. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take chalk, and I'm gonna really focus this on the inner and outer corner. Have to have the exact same palette to get this look. Just use shades that you have in your collection that are similar, and you will get a very similar effect. I'm just gonna take Amber and just go over my crease again. Just wanna make sure everything's nice and blended out. And I wanna intensify that orange just a little bit more because it kind of got lost along the way. The great thing when you set your lid down with a lighter shade than your natural skin tone is you don't have to worry about doing your brow bone highlight. It's pretty much done for you already. Just taking a clean brush. It doesn't look clean, but trust me, it's clean. To just really make sure there's no harsh edges. I don't want this look to have shimmer. So I think I'm actually just gonna take a little bit more of the Amber shade and just put that in the center of my lid. This will just brighten it up, but also just add a little bit of difference, you know, like change it up a bit. Yeah, I actually really like how that looks. Okay, let's go ahead, finish up our lower lash line. I'm just gonna take some of Amber and Jamocha on a pencil brush. Run that all along my lower lash line. Where did all this fallout come from? How am I gonna fix this? A little bit of chalk again, and just add that to the very outer corner of the lower lash line. I'm gonna then take the eyeliner Colourpop. I'm gonna take the eyeliner from Colourpop in Overboard, just on the lower lash line. This eyeliner is so creamy, which makes it really easy to put on the lower lash line because it just glides on. I'm going to take Milani Highly Rated Mascara for the lashes. It just makes for a very feathery, unclumpy lash. Still lets the eyeshadow really show, which I like. And now we're just gonna finish off the rest of the face really quick. I'm gonna take E.L.F. Mineral Blush in Always Spicy, just for the cheeks. E.L.F. when they came out with this mineral blush, I thought it was just the best thing. I think since then I've seen a lot of other brands come out with mineral blushes because it was just, this is just so great. I want a decent amount of blush on. I'm gonna take my Milani highlighter in Glowing, my OG highlighter. I love this highlighter a lot. I'm keeping the majority of my face matte, but I will add a little bit of highlight. And then for lips, last but not least, we're gonna go in with Maybelline Fighter. Just gonna give it a few seconds to dry, and then I'm gonna top it off with Gypsy by Morphe, which is a more brown gloss, because I do want to tone it down just a tad. And that completes our really pumpkin-y looking makeup look. Very fall essence. Very fall appropriate. Very fall inspired. There we go. But yeah guys, I hope you liked this makeup look. Okay guys, that completes our very first fall makeup look. Let me know what fall look you want to see. Let me know any type of video that you want me to do on my channel, whether it's something new, whether it's something I haven't done before. Just like, let me know in the comments below because I really want to hear from you guys. And make sure to subscribe for new videos every Monday and Thursday. Hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload. Hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And until next time, bye!